We're going to come into the marina at a low idle. We're going to go to neutral, and if need be, we can pop it in reverse, both engines, to further lower our momentum. Once we get in line with the dock, we're going to split the sticks so that the starboard engine is in forward, port engine is in reverse. 800 RPM on the port side and 600 RPM on the starboard side. Put it in reverse, and you're going to play between reverse and neutral, slowly pushing yourself in. Once you get far enough into the dock, you can give a little burst of forward to stop the momentum from crashing into the dock, and you're in.